Hello guys, here I am showing you 5 of the old pen drives which was with me. I am planning to fix at least some of them. First of all, what would you do with your damaged electronics? You would first dust it and clean it. After I have done that, I put every pen drive in the port to see if it was working. One of the pen drive was working, others were not. Here, this pen drive, it had no problem. It was just broken from its case. So I just glued it. Now this pen drive, I inserted it. It showed no response. First I scraped off the top of the contacting lines with a blade. And then I did it to the rest of the pen drive. Then inserted into the computer. Luckily, it started working. Other pen drive were still not responding. 2 down, now 3 to go. When I inserted the next pen drive, it was not at all responding. So I opened it up and cleaned it. It was filled with some greasy liquid. After cleaning it dry, I once again inserted it. This time it worked. At first it asked to format the disk, which I did, after which it started working. Now these two pen drives were not at all working. I tried everything like desoldering and soldering, cleaning. The first pen drive just shows and then vanishes. And the second pen drive, I was unable to format it. If you guys have any idea, do put it in the comment section. Anyway, this is a win-win situation. Out of the 4 complaint pen drive, I managed to fix at least 2 of them. Through this video, I wanted to tell you that if you have any broken item or electronics item, before throwing it, just try to fix it. Who knows, sometimes it might get fixed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do check out my other videos. Bye.